this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to hide photos on Facebook. Let's get started. This works for both photos you have been tagged in and photos you have posted yourself. Launch Facebook and navigate to the menu page. Then click on the settings icon. Here you're going to find a different section. Scroll and navigate to the section audience and visibility. Under that, you're going to find the option profile and tagging. Click on that. Now here you're going to find this option who can see post you are tagged in. By default, it is set to friends. You'll need to click on the option tab see all and select the option only me. Now any photos that others have posted and tagged you will be hidden from everyone else. Now let's hide your own photos. For that, navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, you're going to find all of your posts. Now you'll need to navigate to the post that you want to hide. Click on three dots, select the option edit privacy and set it to only me. Keep in mind, you will need to do this one by one for each post you want completely private. And that's it. This is how you can easily hide posts on Facebook. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.